Hello there. My name is Mohab Benjamin, and I am beyond delighted to share an exciting new program with you that we have been working on for months. Allow me to share a bit of my story. I'm Egyptian Greek, and I have been privileged to be in the United States for about 10 years now. The reason I left home, which I still love and miss so much, is actually related to the very core of this program, and that reason is music. Music isn't just what I do for a living or have been studying my entire life, even before I spoke my native language. Music is my biggest passion. It constantly brings me indescribable joy, without which I wouldn't be the person I am today. In fact, I have no idea where or what I could have been without that divine gift. The piano has been my primary instrument since I was an infant. Still, it wasn't until I came to the US that I discovered such depth and richness to the human voice, unparalleled by any instrument that man had ever created. Singing is a universal language, tried and true, and science has proved that it benefits us all regardless of age, experience, and background. These benefits include, but certainly aren't limited to, stress relief, increasing the amount of oxygen in the blood, enhancing memory, helping us overcome grief, drastically enhancing speaking abilities, learning languages, and mastering different dialects. Singers also experience improved moods and greater sense of social connection. With all these benefits and so much more to explain, I hope you can see that we don't know if there's any adverse side effects to singing. And much like any language, talent, or craft, the younger you learn it, the better you'll get at it. That being said, age should never pose a limitation or any kind of deal breaker for anyone who wishes to learn how to sing correctly, especially singing in choirs or bands. And this brings me to the main objective of our program. I am collaborating with Artists School of Music this summer to create a choral program for kids and adults alike. This program will be expanding over the months of June, July, and August, with a final performance at the end that will feature some exceptional musicians to accompany the choirs. We're calling this program Unity Through Sound. To tell you the truth, this was one of the main reasons I came up with this idea. Looking at everything that's going on around us worldwide, with the last 2 pandemic years taking away so many things we all love to do, singing in choirs, in groups, in person, was certainly one of those things. We don't want to promote hatred, judgment, or fear. What we want to create in our community is a chance for people to gather around something universally loved, and that is music and song. We will have a professional piano accompanist throughout the entire program. Meetings will be done once a week on Wednesday nights at this beautiful church in Belmont where I'm filming right now. However, to avoid any confusion, please rest assured that this program is purely secular, and all faiths, genders, and ages from 7 and above are welcome. I will be teaching and conducting the choirs myself, and a sample of the topics that will be taught are proper breathing, ear training, correct singing posture, effective warm-ups, basic singing notation, basic sight singing, interval assignment, voice classification, and we will be practicing multiple pieces in very diverse genres. Lastly, the program will be split into 2 groups. The first group, ages 7 through 9, and the second group, ages 10 to 99. We will be sending out applications to those interested with all the details regarding fees, exact dates, and the church's location in Belmont. There will also be a dedicated link on Artists School of Music's website, so you can share this video with any friend or family member who might be interested. You can always email us or call us if you have any questions. We greatly appreciate your time and consideration. Be well, be happy, and be safe. Thank you.